guys. Hi YouTube family. We are winterizing our garden because it's possible that it's gonna freeze again. Hi guys, showing you how we winterize. What's this, like a tarpaulin you call it, Devon? What you call it?
Wait. Yeah man, in a bucket. Yeah man. In a bucket.
Devon, what you call this? What did you put on it?
Tarp.
A tarp.
Tarpaulin.
So the tarp are able to keep the garden. Let me show you. See?
Yeah, cover them up when you don't know.
Of course, me I covered it when we done. So there's my lettuce, and everything. I know I should have come. I'm late all this time, but you're not covering this there.
No.
It survived the last time. Oh, it survived. This survived. This survived the last time. Hi guys, I'm just sharing with you how we're winterizing or getting our garden ready for the frost. And what you said there?
I make work hard.
And there's my hobby. I'm making work hard. You're not gonna cover this. This one didn't get covers, but lots of seeds are here. And we don't have to cover. Let me show you. We don't have to cover blueberries, and we don't have to cover the garlic. They're good with the frost. They'll do well. But just showing you. Here we are. Have it covered with tarp because tonight there is going to be a freeze. There's a freeze warning. All right guys, this is Michelle and see you later. Just checking in with you guys, showing you all my garlic. That's all garlic there. And I lost my callaloo to the frost. And see you later. Bye. That's it. I'm ready now for the winter.